The collision repair business is all about people. Customers, employees, partners, and vendors. We tend to worry the most about making our customers happy, and that's a good thing, but there are a lot of other people to remember too. In particular, I'm talking about your local tow truck drivers. If you've had a good one, be sure to show them that you appreciate them. Here's a few ideas for doing that. Now, your area drivers drop off cars at your shop all the time. This can be a simple transaction with little or no interaction, or this can be an opportunity to have a quick chat and get to know the driver. You've probably heard the saying that people like to do business with people they know, like, and trust. If you get to know your driver and they like you and trust that you do honest, quality work, they're more likely to recommend you to others, or even bring their own vehicles to you for repair. Now, this goes both ways, of course. If you have a driver or tow company that you just don't like or don't trust, then you're not going to be recommending them. On the other hand, if you do find good drivers and companies, that's a win-win situation. Ask them if they're open to doing some cross-promotion. You add a spot to your website about towing, add their contact info and a link to their website. In return, they do the same for you. But just understand they have to play fair, and they may recommend other shops in addition to yours, just like you might have to recommend more than one towing company. Once you've established a solid relationship with a driver, be sure to let them know about openings in your shop. Drivers can be an excellent way to recruit for your open positions, whether they personally might be a good fit or they know someone else to point your way. Okay, so we've established that you should show your appreciation, but how do you do it? The simplest way to show some love to your drivers is with gifts. You might consider giving out a Christmas gift, of course, but if you really want to stand out, gift giving at other times of the year can make more of an impact. If you received a box of cookies today, it would not only be a total surprise, but it would make your day. So how much should you spend? My advice is spend as much as you reasonably can. If you skimp, buy something that feels cheap or seems like an afterthought, it shows. Now, when I'm driving around, there's a good chance I'm going to be snacking on something. Anyone who spends time in their vehicle likes to have something to munch on. So this might be a nice box of cookies or nuts or mixed nuts, trail mix, something they can carry in their truck, or gourmet beef jerky assortment. You can give out candy or a box of chocolates, but unless you want to make it awkward, skip the heart-shaped box. Now, in cold weather, you can buy your tow drivers some warm gloves. If you have branded apparel for your body shop, give them a ball cap or stocking cap. Do try to match the current climate though. A thick hoodie in July isn't ideal. Consider something useful and unexpected that they might not think to purchase for themselves. That could be a good multi-tool like a Leatherman, but have you looked at the state of flashlight technology lately? These new flashlights are small, rechargeable, and they put out crazy amounts of light. Just as an example, check out like the Sofirn SP36 or the Workhos FC12 as examples. If your shop hosts any special events like a golf outing or a trap shoot, invite your tow drivers. Spending some time together can really help you get to know them better, and you better believe they'll appreciate being included. If you don't have events like this, you can simply invite them to lunch sometime. Or if you're in a city with decent sports arenas, give him tickets to a game after you've gotten a better feel for what he's interested in. Does your shop have a detail department? Without spending anything, you can give your driver a free car wash. This could be for his personal vehicle or even the tow truck if you have enough space. If you don't have a detail department, but you have partnered with a local car wash, give your driver a gift card for a wash, just like you do for your regular customers. If none of those are options that are a good fit for your situation, give them a restaurant gift card or something from your local retailers. How you show your appreciation to your local tow drivers is going to depend on you getting to know them a little bit. As with any gift, the more personal the gift, the more it means to the recipient. As you develop your relationships, you'll get a better feel for what makes sense. If you know a driver loves basketball, then tickets to a game make perfect sense. If he's a hunter, going to a shooting range could be perfect. Develop your network by showing your tow truck drivers and your other associates that you value your relationships with them. Hey, I'm Jason Ferguson, and I want to help you market your auto body or collision repair business. If you like what you see here, please subscribe to be notified when new videos are released. You can find out more about digital marketing services from Conspicuous Digital. Thanks for watching. Now get out and fix some cars.